Happy freaking Father's Day to me, because I went to the vending machine. It was the last thing there. We got it for MSRP. Nothing's better than that. Let's see if we can pull anything crazy out of here. I need that Blastoise SIR or the Venusaur SIR and a bunch of other art rares. Hopefully I don't pull the Blastoise EX. I cannot pull that card again. I will lose it if I pull that card. So let's do this. 6 packs. Here's your code. All right, let's see it. Beedrill and Omastar. Code. Nothing there. And a Gengar. Code. Come on. Psyduck and Wheezing. This is going to be the worst booster bundle ever. Here's your code. Please. Just a Flareon and a Starmie. Here's your code card. Hollow Water Energy. Could this be a sign? Moment of truth. Dragonite and a Dragonite. Now I regret buying it. Last pack magic. Please, we need something. This is gonna be brutal if we don't get anything. Code. Nothing there and nothing. 6 straight packs of nothing. Well, we didn't pull anything out of that. I'm surprised. Yes, just a bunch of garbage out of there. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy Father's Day to all you dads out there, and hopefully you all have better luck than me.